When somebody tells you you've got cancer, you're not dying, you're living. If I were to go down a list of the things that I take such great pride in, I'm a husband of 29 years. I'm a very proud father of twin daughters. I refereed college football for almost 2 decades, built an airplane from scratch. I engaged in tournament golf at a very, very high level. And right behind me is where I realized I was in trouble.
Mike, unfortunately, was faced with a rare tumor. And that by itself takes a lot to wrap your head around. It's a rare patient that has been able to beat stage 4 uveal melanoma. Certainly with our traditional approaches, we know it's not going to be possible.
I knew the time horizon, I understood what that meant, and I understood that the scientists that were behind it were on the forefront of trying to beat cancer.
Today's clinical trials are tomorrow's therapies. We want to give you access to those therapies in the communities where you live. And we want to be able to offer those clinical trials on scale.
The most difficult physical challenge that I had was the 7-hour delivery of the medicines every other week for 2 years. It's unbelievable the power that comes from love close to home. To know I can go get help, or my daughters could go get support locally, is the most amazing thing in what McKesson and Sarah Cannon Research Institute does. It is the way medicine should be, and I do believe that that is a huge factor in my success.
I think the biggest takeaway from Mike's story is hope. It's so gratifying being able to do that work, to open the trials, to be able to offer it to a patient that has maybe been told, we don't have any answers, we don't have any FDA-approved treatments. And we've done a lot of work trying to go back and understand why Mike and how can we apply that to other patients, because if we can match up a patient with the right treatment for them, that's always the goal.
And then the most amazing thing happened. As those tumors were shrinking, they scanned them and they were gone. They weren't a little gone, they were gone. You have to tell yourself onward. We're living. Getting through this just like I'm getting through a bad storm. There is an end, and we're going to make it to the other side.